Deep pit. Let's draw a cute owl. First, draw the head and pointy ears. Excellent! Draw the owl's big eyes so she can see everything. That's it! Add a little diamond for the beak. Give the ears some cute, fluffy feathers. Good job! Now draw a circle for the owl's body. Good! Draw a belly in the shape of a heart. Make the owl's wings so she can fly. First, one leg. And now the other. Look at your happy owl play with the mouse.